We're gonna start at the same exact spot, right here on the right hand of the side of the steps in the shade. We're not even gonna do the steps. When you come around, we're gonna stop right here. We're not gonna do this because we're gonna do that with the floor on our way out. So do me a favor, when you get here, take a brush real quick and show me what kind of dust is in here. On this pool, I'm expecting damn near zero. That's why now on this coat, I'm just slow rolling. But see how fast Tom's going now? He's going really fast, that's good. You could go slower if you had like a less sprayer, but since that thing's dumping, you just wanna go. But on this second coat, because you sprayed that really good, Tom, I'm just hitting every square inch of it and making sure we're good. Oh yeah, I can see it, even coat. That's perfect, dude. Yeah, Tom, that was a perfect pace, dude, for that sprayer. Yeah, that one's even as can be. I'm not even hardly getting any drip residual. That's just their leftover plaster. You saw when they were ragging it off, that just comes from the rag. It doesn't matter, that'll brush right off. It won't stick it with microglass, in other words. How much you got left, Tom? Did you spray all this? This looks dry as it can be. This is what I want you to see. See how compact that is? That's cream. See the two difference? No, it could be compacted, but they just went over it real lightly with a trowel, so that's fat, that's cream. Your startup should take that off because it's loose, just cream. We call it fat. It's the fat coming to the surface because your aggregates are below it, right? There's aggregate, see the speckle? Aggregate, fat, aggregate, fat. Now, that should all come off in your startup, no problem. I bet most of that fades away just with water because it's just fat. Your eyes will start seeing the stuff I'm telling you. Just pay attention to it. It's fat. It's just cream. Yeah, dude, look at this wall. Drink it, drink it. Look at it, I don't have anything dripping at all. So where are you at right now? Let me get this stuff out of here. All right, senor. I got long arms, so you can go a little further. Just let me get around these real quick. Now you can probably do all right. I just want to be able to reach these to wipe them off. I wouldn't go all the way. So 2.5 gallons, because there's no setting cure in it. Setting cures gets you 80, 90% of the way there. If it's done right, 90%, but 80, call it 80. But this is they use almost 7 batches in this pool, 6.5 batches.
And 1 5-gallon will probably get me.
So you would.
So what's the norm?
It would be a gallon on the batch that they're doing on this particular. It depends on how much cement you're using. On this one, you would have been 124 ounces per batch, which a gallon's 128. He only had 5. We'd have been a gallon and a half short. And you don't want to cut it because then you're not doing. It's our science isn't a close call. So it looks a little glossy right here, Tom, but just because I rolled it, but we're like right here. They're back. Dude, I don't know, man. I'd hit this again right here. It's not, look, it's not even glossy. Right here where your foot is. There you go. I'm just drinking it on the floor right here, dude. For coat number 2, I went pretty heavy on coat 1. It's drinking it, dude. Look at it right here, all right here, drink it. How fast is drinking it, dude? It is getting warmer though. It's heating up. All right, hold on a minute. Let me roll over here. So we can go around it right here. Spray the front of the step, the whole thing. So that way if it runs a little bit, I got time to roll it. Drinking it, dude. It's coat number 2, son. On second coat, you want it glossy. And I don't mean stay glossy. I mean, when you walk away and look down the wall, you should see the wall glossy. First coat, it should look blotchy as heck because it's gonna soak in, right? Second one, can you see that from the deck right here where I'm rolling? That gloss right there is what I'm looking for on this coat. But if you look though, it's not running anywhere. Okay, that's good. Now you can come up on this step up here and get the floor where you just were. And I can reach it. See all this? We gotta get all that. Now you can do your top step behind you. You're gonna do the top step. Let me roll it, front and top. Then you're gonna do that and come back this way. Yeah. Now we'll back our way out. Here, while you're standing there, hit that tile, the trim tile. Yeah, now that's what we want. First coat, you don't want that. But if you look sideways at the floor, look, the floor's dry. That's what we want. You still have to spray that, so don't worry about that. Okay, so let's do this. Spray that and walk yourself backwards. And then what I'll do is I'll roll it and then we'll do this. Now, well, I'm gonna get out because now I can reach the whole cobbler. So what I would do is I just go back and forth till you get yourself in this corner, back out, lean over, and I'll roll it from the top of the deck. Okay. Did you get the face?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
You good? Let me see your bucket. Yeah, you're right at 2.5 gallons, man. Like I said, I've done about 1,000 of these, maybe 2,000, I don't know. But if we would have had setting cure in this, probably would only use a gallon, but that's okay. MicroGlass is the way to go.
From what I can tell, just the secret is light layers.
Yes, less is more. When we did our testing, we did a couple samples of it where we did 4 samples. So our first sample had nothing in it. We just wanted to test it, right? Second sample was a mist, a good mist, medium to saturated. Well, after we tested it, sample 2, 3, and 4 penetrated all the way through. So what'd that tell you? Less is more. right? If you're dripping, it's too much, especially the hard part when it's dripping like that and you oversaturate it. If it's got pigment in it, it hazes. Now, does the haze come off? Of course. Sometimes you might have to polish that area to get it off, but it's not gonna stick. I've never had one not come off, but why take the extra wear? You're just wasting material and you're making somebody unhappy. So it's just getting it down. Because that first coat that he was doing is way too much. I mean, it was running, right? But now when he got it dialed in, it's not running. That's it, she's a beauty. This one came out good, Tom.